It's been sitting here for close to 30 years, mostly forgotten. The corrosion is deep, but the structure is worth saving.
Tonight, we are honored F Legend.
A valuable piece of automotive history, hidden beneath all this decay. It's truly remarkable.
It's been sitting here for close to 30 years, mostly forgotten. The corrosion is deep, but the structure is worth saving. We have a deal then.
Yes, we do. It's a pleasure doing business with you.
Ja, rozumiem, że trzeba samo. Obiekaj, no i jest niestety.
Just look at how satisfying that is. We need to preserve as much of the original texture as possible.
The goal here isn't replacement, but preservation. We're revealing the original texture beneath the dirt while keeping the patina intact.
Look at the corrosion under the door panel here.
That explains the readings on the tablet. We need to address the structural integrity first.
Look at the state of this hub. We're definitely looking at a full replacement.
Yep. The rust around this seam is quite deep. Make a note of the pitting.
Confirmed. The structure here is compromised. Look at the corrosion on this bracket here. We'll need to source a replacement.
Look at the color of that oil.
Yes. Okay, slow and steady now.
We are clear of the mounts.
Just a few more inches higher on your side.
The extraction phase is now complete, revealing the true extent of the corrosion within the engine bay.
The corrosion on the mounts is significant here.
Yes, we need to address the cooling passages as well before the new assembly arrives.
So this is the original Rosso Corsa paint near the sill, severely oxidized.
Yes, and the interior moisture.
The F50's original steering wheel, though worn, is a crucial piece of its history. Removal must be precise.
Okay, sequence 1, bolt 3. 45 Newton meters, confirmed. The pitting around the lug holes is significant here.
Yes, and the inner barrel corrosion is extensive. We need to document the depth.
Check the clear coat consistency right here.
Yeah.
It's flawless. The metallic flake is perfect.
We have significant mold contamination in this section.
Document the cracking pattern and the oxidation on the frame rails.
The corrosion here on the rocker panel is significant.
Yes, and look at the fatigue near the suspension mount. We need to reinforce that section. Confirming firewall datum B.
Verified. All measurements are holding steady.
Chassis alignment is spot on, better than factory.
And the corrosion protection in the hidden cavities is flawless. In the center console. Ensure all connectors are secure.
The stitching consistency is remarkable.
Start the sequence.
Wiring harness connected, check the seal.
Gasket is seated perfectly. Apply the final torque.
Watch the clearance on the manifold.
Got it, looks good.
Coming down slowly.
Check the hood reflection here. Yeah?
Looks perfect. Absolutely flawless.
Check the consistency here on the rear quarter. Absolutely uniform. The trim alignment is perfect. Another flawless restoration. Check the reflection on the rear quarter panel here.
Yes. Incredible depth. The engine bay details are also perfect.
Alignment looks spot on after the adjustment.
Yes, minimal play detected. The geometry is perfect.
Full lock left.
Confirmed. Rack movement is perfectly smooth, no play in the joints.
Coming back center.
Tonight, we are on F Legend.